Let's learn some blended letter sounds together. What letter sounds are these? E and R. When you see them together like this, they make the sound, like pepper. This is the sound. What letter sounds are these? A and I. When you see them together, they make the A sound, like pail. This is A. What letter sounds are these? A and E. When you see A, and then after some other letters you see the E, this makes the oo sound, like glue. This is oo. Can you point to and A and oo? Where's A and and oo? Can you point to and oo and A? Now where is and A and oo? Can you point to A and oo and Where is oo and and A? What's this? What's this? A. And what's this? Ooh. Thanks so much for coming to learn these blended letter sounds with me. I can't wait to see you soon. Bye.